Good morning, classmates. So today, we're now discussing about wired network interface card. So what is wired network interface card? Wired network interface card, a wired interface card or network interface card or NIC, allows device to connect to a wired network, typically using Ethernet cables like RJ45. It enables digital transmission between devices in the network, converting digital signal into electrical or optical signal for transmission over the network. So, ang wired interface or NIC or WIC is mag-aayaan to connect sa wired network gamit ang Ethernet cables or RJ45 para makatransmit kita ng data between device or network. I-convert sa ng digital signal into electrical or optical signal to network medium. So, there are types of WIC or wired interface card. First, Ethernet NIC, common in common business network like that. Fiber optic NIC, used in high-speed long-distance or communications. Common inilaan sa long distance, then ang topic ring NIC is dugay na daw na common types na WIC. How it works, the WIC. WIC sends and receives data by converting digital signal into packets, which are then transmitted over the network. Each NIC has a unique MAC address to identify it on the network. Ang NIC ko na is may unique MAC address para dali ka ma-identify. Key benefits. Reliability. Wired connection are stable and less prone to interference. Then, ang key benefits is reliability. Ang network is stable lang. Tapos, speed, generally faster than wireless network with lower latency. Ang speed ko is dili pareha sa wireless network. Mas kusog pa ko ang WIC. Security, more secure due to physical network access requirements. Use cases, home networks, connecting devices like computers and printers. Business enterprise network, used in servers and workstation for stable communications. Data centers, high-speed NICs such as 10 gigabytes are common for efficient data exchange. So, ang mga cases nila sila yung magagamit home network, business, o data center. Magagamit sa WIC. So, next.
Common standards. Ethernet, the most widely used standard. Gigabyte Ethernet, 1 gigabyte speed, common in modern system. 10 gigabyte Ethernet, used for high performance networks. So, ang pinaka dapat gamitin sa mga nagpamantayan o
Ikat mo!
Go.
common standards. Ethernet, the most widely used standard. Gigabyte Ethernet, water Ethernet,
Ethernet.
1 gigabyte speed, common in modern system. 10 gigabyte Ethernet, used for high performance networks. So, how to configure MacOS and Windows? Configuration on MacOS. Number 1, open network Preferences. Click on the Apple menu, System Preferences menu. So, select the wired interface. Select the Internet option. In the left column, if you want to see it, click the plus icon and the Internet. Number 3, configure the interface to use DHCP dynamic IP address. Choose using DHCP for static IP. Select manually and enter. IP address 192.168.1.100. Subnet mask 255.255.155.0. Router 192.168.1.114. Number 4, DNS settings. Click Advanced and go to the DNS tab. Add DNS servers like 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4.5. Number 5, apply or change. Click apply to save the settings. 6, once you've configured the wired NIC, you should be able to check your connection by pinging along website or local.
Local.
Okay, now in the windows. Open network settings. Right click the network icon in the taskbar and select open network on the internet settings. Right click on yan, tapos open ang network for internet service. Click on change the address settings. Figure the network interface. Right click the word Ethernet connection and choose properties. In the properties windows, select Internet Foundation or IP2P1 and link properties. Visit static IP. To use static IP, choose the option use the following IP address and info. IP address 192.168.1.100. Subnet mask 255.255.0. Universal gateway 192.168.1.1. Under use the following DNS server address info. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8. Alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4.
Ay, ano
Save
siya?
change. Click OK and see all windows in file. Use the pin to keep your connection. So, ang IP addresses, pwede magkalaylahit ng number sa pinakalas. Ang gigamit namin na type na IP address is type C. 192.168.